क्या आपको पता है इस साल का सबसे कंट्रोवर्शियल ब्यूटी पेजेंट शो कौन सा है? अगर आप गेस कर पा रहे हैं तो आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज है। मैं उस इवेंट में जाने वाला हूँ और मैं वो इवेंट अटेंड करने वाला हूँ। इस साल उसमें क्या नया है, किस तरह का इवेंट है और क्या ग्रैंड प्रोडक्शन है, वो हम देखते हैं। सो बने ही रहिए मेरे साथ, देखते हैं इस साल उस ब्यूटी पेजेंट का विनर कौन होता है।
Child, regardless of background or gender, deserves access to knowledge. When we educate a child, we illuminate our future. This isn't just her attire. Today she's wearing the heart of India, which is bold, radiant and unbreakable. This golden dress isn't just a color, but also a symbol of spirit. Rich in tradition, unity, and light of peace. The cane she adorned it, but symbolizes purity rising through adversity. The beauty and grace of India. And the hand-embroidered Taj Mahal, a national costume. The two amazing personalities. And from the India, I would like to invite the National Director of missgrand India, Ms. Akansha Thakur, and Mr. Saurabh Anand, founder and CEO.
Moving to the next special award is Best in Glamour. And the Best in Glamour goes to contestant number 21. Sunny and Rock on the stage, Best in Glamour. Contestant number 21. Congratulations. And next we have Miss Multimedia. And the Miss Multimedia goes to number 13.
India to proud India people and to show the people how strong and how important of Indian culture on Missgrand International 2025 this year.
Ladies and gentlemen, the second runner-up goes to number 13, Nandini Patel, second runner-up of Missgrand India 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, now is your second runner-up of Missgrand India, Nandini Patel. And now time, ladies and gentlemen, so please welcome on the stage Christine Julian Opiesa, Missgrand International 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, and one of these two incredible women will be crowned the new Missgrand India 2025, and she will go on to represent India on the grand stage at Missgrand International 2025 in Bangkok, Thailand. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Missgrand India 2025 is number 28, we shall and that's being the first runner-up is number 27. What did I do to you? to the first round. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our first runner-up of Miss Grand India. Walla to Anki.